second.
Well, hello, Coffee Time friends. How are ya? Finishing up my coffee from today, from this evening. I wish it was all I had all day, but I've had about 2 of these today. That's pretty good for me. It's Tupperware time. Let's talk Tupperware. Came home, come by Mama's, and we had a box. And in that box was some Tupperware. And I had to come over here and show you. How many of y'all remember this bowl right here?
They have to be old as me, just about it.
Or me? I remember it. This is Mama's from the 70s, I know. It could have even been 60s. I'm not sure. You know, the pattern. The Tupperware pattern. If you've seen this bowl, you know it was Tupperware. And you put the lid on it, and you seal it with one in the middle, no air. Look at that wonderful bowl. Don't you wish you could get it now? Because this is got to be 50 years old. Or close to it, and we still use it every day or two. This is what we put macaroni salad in. This is coleslaw. We make it in this, sometimes stir it up, put it in the refrigerator, store it, and then we serve in it, don't we, Mama?
Yeah, all in one
We love it. Well, guess what? They do have them, just like this. I'm going to put this one aside and show you the new. These are the new. Look at these colors. And look at these lids. And look at, I wish we could do a wider view here. And look at this. And look here. Just like it's Grandpappy or Grandmammy here. The orange, just a little different color. It's the good lid.
Wow. That was sealed.
It was. Look at this. And you seal it how? With one instant punch in the middle, and it's sealed, airtight, watertight, ready to use. I've been looking forward to these. I knew they were coming last month. I wanted to tell y'all, but I couldn't. So they're here. They're here, and we're ready for you to have them. Look at this. Now, why do they call these serviliers? Because these are for prepping, storing, and serving. This is a serving spoon. How many times have you been to a potluck or at your own home or whatever, and you go, I thought I put a spoon in those peas. It holds on here. The spoon's down in there. This, see, I'm pushing it. It won't even push down. That's a servilier. See, the spoon will stay on the edge where you can get to it, and you can serve, and it's always going to be clean. We've always been clean. We've always worried about those things. But during COVID, do you really want to touch a spoon that's been down inside it, or do you want to eat that?
No.
It's ready to be thrown out.
Not me.
So that's that size bowl that it works on. Let's go up a little. Look at this pretty color. This is a beautiful peach color. I don't know what it reads on TV, on your phones and stuff, but it's a peach coral color. Same thing. The spoon won't fall down in there. You're good to go. Whatever you put in there. So this is a serving bowl. Servilier. It's also a storage bowl. Put your mashed potatoes in one, put your peas in one, and when you get through for the night, store it. And you're good to go. One punch in the middle and it seals if you put the lid on straight. And that is the servilier. This little blue one, I love him. He is going to be great for a can of peas, a can of corn. You can't beat it. Mom, what do you think? I'm taking over here this evening. I'm just so excited.
Just take over.
Mama loves these. Do you remember when you got your orange one?
No, I don't.
Now, there was a yellow one, too.
Yeah, I don't know where my yellow ones are.
Probably at some potluck church dinners, and I took it home. Probably with potatoes in it. This is the large one. It's the same style bowl, the square oval. And look, spoon in there. It's still up here. It won't go all the way down in there. You're not going to lose that one in the peas. That is the reason they call them serviliers. This is wonderful. Put your lid on there. One, it's sealed. Good to go. These I've been waiting for. When I think of Tupperware in my age group, this is what I think of. This is Tupperware to us.
That's seal is...
That seal, these bowls, that shape, all that. Now, Tupperware will run these occasionally a piece or two throughout the year, but you only get this offer once a year. You have this large one. It's round, so the size is it's a little different, but it's still large. It's a 17-cup bowl. Folks, you could use this for your child's party as a punch bowl. You could use this for a potato salad, take to the family reunion or a church event. Same sealing. Hit it in the middle. Sealed. That is a 17-cup bowl.
That's a big bowl.
That's a big bowl. Next, we go to the 11-cup bowl. 17, 11. Then we're going to add onto that the coral, which is 8 cups.
Those are some very pretty colors.
They are. 4 cups. 3 cups. This one's not sealed. 3 cups, but it's not hard to seal. 1 punch in the middle and it's done. Look at that. 5 bowls. A tower of pleasure. A tower of good eats. And that is $59 for 5 Tupperware bowls with lifetime guarantee with those 1-push seals. We also have this set. It's in there also. These are the 20-ounce. These, I think, will be your go-tos. These will be the ones you'll put those leftover mashed potatoes and stuff in. They are the same. They are the round. I don't know if y'all know this about Tupperware, but anything round and Tupperware is watertight, airtight. And you can put it in your lunch bag and it won't spill. That's what I like. One seal and no spill, throw it in your bag and go. That's not going to, I don't care if you take it this way, it's still going to be sealed. In fact, we use this kind, and what we do a lot of times is we store them upside down, and I will put like a cheese ball or something on that and use this as the dome. If you have a party or something, you put that out, have your cheese ball on there when you get ready to finish.
Works wonderful.
Top on it, throw it in the refrigerator, you're good to go. So these are 20-ounce. There are 4 of those, and they are $20.
And they will hold a can of corn, a can of peas, or anything like that.
Many
the
ounces.
whole can. So.
Exactly. 20 ounces. And they're wonderful.
And look how neat they stack. You can put them in your refrigerator and
they
save
do
room.
Stack beautifully. This is the 10-ounce. And this is $20 as well. I've got my cheat notes here just so I don't tell you wrong. They are 10. These will hold a can of peas or something. If you're a single or double, this would hold a can of peas or a can of corn. They seal just the same. Mama, show them how easy they seal even for your...
For an old woman.
Oh, Mama, you're not old. Sealed in one hit. Let me show you another little secret about Tupperware. Now, who has got room in their cabinets to store this tower of bowls? That's a lot of storage. I'll admit it. But what if I told you that Tupperware thought of that and they said, no, we got this figured out to where it doesn't take that much room. We've got this figured out where your lids will nest. You know, when you open your door and your cabinet and bowls fly one way and the lids fly the other way and you're thinking, that's a mess. But look here. Every lid nests inside of every lid. Every bowl nests inside of every bowl. So here you are with 4 bowls, 4 lids nested just like that. And this is the way you should store them. Put them in your cabinet just like this, because let me tell you, you may need this bowl for a can of peas, and you can grab that out of your cabinet. You can use it for a can of peas. You may eat every bite of them and you don't need the lid. Wash it, put it back. You're not going to be using the lid without the bowl. So, if you need the lid, right here it is. But you can stack them just like this, and it's 4 bowls and it takes up no room. That's the beauty of the Tupperware. This one, you can put all these in it. Just like that. Put your lids just like that. So now you've got 5 bowls stacked, compact, and neat. And you don't need any others because you can throw away those butter bowls and those Cool Whip bowls and those cheap bowls that you've been using, because these are going to last you a lifetime. If you don't believe me, ask Grandpa Orange here how long he's been hanging around, how long we put him to work. We didn't retire him. Not in the 70s, not in the 80s, the 90s, the 2000s, and we're still working. And even though we got these new ones,
this one ain't going to go nowhere.
this one ain't going nowhere. This one will still be here. He'll still be working right along with his new great-great-grandchildren here. So this ain't a part of the set.
Don't make
At
them
one
hardly
time,
sound that old. Great.
at one time, he was in a set just like you're buying today. And how many bowls, if any of y'all got that's not Tupperware, comment below. Bowls that you bought that are still working, still great, still wonderful bowls that you can say you've had for 50 years. That's the difference between Tupperware. That's what Tupperware is made out of. It's made out of good stuff. It's guaranteed. Why would you guarantee a product if you're a company if you didn't expect it to last? I have never had any problem with Tupperware's guarantees. Tupperware has always followed through, and they're always glad to do it. So that is the bowls. That is the sets, and they're only on sale this month. And like I said, they only come around once a year like this. Every once in a while you'll see an odd item, but not like this. There is another set. This is the Eco 15 piece, and we don't count in Tupperware. We don't count this as 2 pieces. A lot of things that's a 2 piece. No, that's 1 piece. So you get 15 items. 15 items complete. Lids, bottle tops, and all. This is the Eco Lunch It set, and it comes in these same colors. That's the reason I'm showing it to you. I don't have mine yet, but this is the picture of it. So this is what it looks like. I wanted to show you what it looked like. So that's the Eco Lunchable set. You get a water bottle, a lunch divided piece for every color in this set, plus a small bowl. The little small ones there, and they're all, so you can have a different color for every day's lunch in a week. Or you can fix your kids, or you can do food prep, or if you're trying to watch your portion size. Those are wonderful. I can't wait till ours get here. They just haven't made it yet.
That's right.
The Servaliers got here today, and we're excited about it. So I couldn't wait. I thought, well, I should wait till the Lunchables. I thought, no, I gotta show them today. This is too good to pass up.
Yes.
So
Impatient waiting on it.
yeah. A little impatient. So you get the 5-piece bowls, and look how neat, nicely they stack. Or you can get the 20-ounce 4-piece set for $20. These are $59 total. I mean, before tax and all. But these are 4 pieces. These are 20. And these 4 pieces are also 20.
And this is my old.
And this one is priceless. Money couldn't touch this one. Mama wouldn't sell this for no reason. So you'll feel the same way about yours when you get yours too. Mama, I'd love to know if did you buy them at a party? Did some at church sell them? How did you?
You think I can remember that when I can't remember when I got it? I slept a couple of nights.
I do remember when I was a kid you had a larger yellow one.
I have a larger yellow one and seemed like a pale green one somewhere. Or yellow big one, smaller. I think it might have been green or a
green small one.
I believe it's green.
But this one's lasted through time. I bet you somebody's took your other one at a dinner or something. Anyhow, folks, we wanted to show you the Tupperware today. What do you think about it, Mama?
I'm going to see how bad it is on the inside.
Well, it ain't bad on the inside, Mama. I just had potato salad of it last week, 4th of July.
I know it, but it's still in good shape.
It's in great shape. And then here is what makes it the serve-a-leer. They want you to serve in them. And just like, how many times you've been there and done that with a bowl? That will stay there. That spoon is not going down in that bowl. It's safe all the way around. You would think it would fall at one point.
I'm shaking when you shake it.
That's the Cervelier.
What's that? Monkey see, monkey do.
You're funny, Mama. But you can't beat these colors. Look at these beautiful, beautiful colors. You've got the ice blue. You've got a pretty orange color. You've got the coral. You've got a pink. And then you've got this plum color. And you've got that beautiful Tupperware, Starburst, sunflower. I've heard it called all kinds of stuff. But to me, we call it Tupperware. When I see that, I know we're dealing with Tupperware. Mama's canisters has got that on it. This bowl that we've used for years has got that on it. But here are the colors again. I'm sure you got something to match every one of these. And when you take these, if they ever do come back, they won't come back in the same set, and they won't be in these colors. So you'll be the only one in your group to have these colors. And when you go somewhere, they'll say, oh, that's so-and-so stuff. We went to an event the other night, and we took coleslaw and macaroni salad.
Yeah.
And somebody said, oh, there's 2 Tupperware bowls. We know Tootsie made that. They know. People know. They know quality.
I didn't even have to tell them.
No, you don't even have to put your name on them no more. Remember everything? No. I don't know if people still do. Remember everything
My
you had.
My cake plate still got the tape on it.
Got a piece of Scotch tape.
It had masking or something.
Masking tape
on it. And
yeah.
It still got it.
Still got it. Still keeping it. Folks, when we get some more, we'll show some more. And y'all pick these up. Go to Mama's link. It'll be attached right above here. And all you do is click on the link and go in. And it'll say shop now, and you can shop. Some people are having trouble with their email addresses and getting orders to go through. You can get a new email address just for the Tupperware. It's where people have ordered before, and it shows this email address has already been used, and it don't recognize it's the same user, and they are working on it. And hopefully it's a new system. You all know that Tupperware got a new system last month, so they're working on that issue. But until they are, if you want to sign up for a Gmail, Hotmail, anything, you can go in and sign up on a new email, put a new email in there, and it'll take it. It's no problem. I done it the other day. It wouldn't take my email, so I just started me a Gmail account and put it in there. And ever since then, I've ordered off that same Gmail account. So I think whatever it is where it came from the old system, maybe, over to the new system. I'm not sure. I'm not techno savvy, but I'm saying that's a fix for it. If you're having problems ordering, start your new email account and put it in there and start from there. All right, Mama. What else we got?
Oh, no, I don't know until we get the other stuff for the specials.
All right. Then we're going to say goodnight, folks. Yeah. And y'all have a great evening. Find you some good Tupperware. Make some memories with that. I'm telling you, you can fill this full of memories with potato salad, macaroni salad, coleslaw, barbecued ribs. That big plum one on the bottom would be great full of ribs.
Oh, wow.
I'm making myself hungry. Y'all have a good night. Say good night, Mama.
Good night, Mama, and God bless you all.
Bye.